Hey guys, this is the stored procedure lesson. A very easy, simple, and necessary concept in SQL. It's called stored procedure. This is best used for commands you tend to be using almost very often when performing your analysis with SQL. Let me show you what I mean. I want to create a procedure. I'm going to call it open RD. Do you know what I call RD? Let me see if you understand what I mean. RD is my restaurant data set. Yes. So I want to create a stored procedure that helps me to open restaurant data set with just a single command, because I seem to have been opening restaurant data set a little too often through this class. So open RD and as I have been using this statement. Okay, great. Uh, Great procedure open. That's just it. I execute this. Okay, I've done this before. Let me give it another name. RD open, something like that. Command completed successfully. So now, anytime I want to open my restaurant dataset table, all I need to do is type in the command exec RD open. See, it has stored the procedure for me. Look at that there. Just 2 lines of command, and then my restaurant dataset is open. Easy, right? Okay, let's create stock procedure for one or two of the things we might have done in the course of our lessons. Maybe substring. Substring. So I've just copied it out. I don't want to tamper with the previous lesson output. So now what do we have to do? Can you guess? All I need to do is type in create procedure at the top of my command and then give my procedure a name. I could call this lock code, for instance. Just something easy that you can just easily type. Lock code. I think I like this one. Create procedure, lock code. Then as in the middle between create procedure load and command in itself. So I would run this through to execute. Command executed successfully. So anytime I want to display my result for my location code and average price, I want to always see that table that has location code and average price. Maybe I want to use it to do order analysis, or with a simple line of code, display my result for this analysis that I've already done. And all I need to do is type in exec code. And that's it. Now notice that I typed my SQL command in small letter. It's very possible. It's just that for the course of this our lessons, I had to ensure that all SQL commands were typed in capital letter for neatness, for understanding, and to reduce level of confusion. Okay, if I had typed everything on small letter, you wouldn't have really known the difference between SQL commands and table names, because look at this, location is displaying blue. All right, location in this case is simply a column name. All right, so if I type everything in small letter, it would have created some form of confusion. right? So it's okay. You can use small letter if you want, but for the sake of the class, I had to create that rule to ensure that all SQL command necessary for our lessons was written in caps lock. Thank you so much. Now, this brings us to the final lap of our lesson for SQL. We need to explore how to make use of time series. See you in the next class.